EZHONG designed and manufactured a giant 3-rolls plate rolling machine for the marine shipbuilding industry. This machine maximum pressing force is 3,200 tons. It can roll maximum plate width 22 meters, and the whole machine weight is up to 1,000 tons. It integrates the world's most advanced forging, welding, and control technologies, and can provide users with pre-bending, arc, and conical rolling of ship plates. After replacing mold, the machine has the function of forming and bending bulkhead plates. Up crossbeam is the heaviest single component. The technology is optimized to a combined welded structure for easy lifting and installation. Up crossbeam equipped with 2 clamping rings to clamp up roller, reducing the deflection caused by up roller's dead weight and the vibration during operation. Drive system adopts the form of driving both ends of the working rollers simultaneously to provide sufficient power for rolling plate. Four oil cylinders push 2 low rollers to move horizontally as a whole, changing the symmetrical position relationship between lower rollers and up roller. 4 main oil cylinders are made of high-quality forgings, and the piston rods are ground, hard chrome plated, and polished, providing machine 3,200 tons pressing force. 8 sets of up and lower rollers are used to support work rollers' deflection caused by load, compensate for the deformation of working rollers when it is under load. Bed is designed with an integral heavy-duty welded box beam, and welded parts are stress-relieved. 4 3-ton single-arm cranes are installed on the inside of frame to facilitate the compression of compartment arms. Optimized structural design reduces foundation costs, improves the static, dynamic performance, and reliability of equipment's operation. 4 sets of rollers table with electrically driven are set on both sides separately. During the rolling process, 8 groups of hydraulic cylinders compensate for the upward deformation deflection of up roller when it is loaded, ensuring the workpiece rolling accuracy. Whether it is the arc, cone, and pre-bend rolling of ship plates, or various complex bulkhead forming and bending work, in the face of such strong pressure, they can be easily rolled to show the ideal arc and precision, meeting the high-efficiency production needs of customers. To facilitate mold replacement, the bottom roller table bracket has forward, backward, and lifting functions. The machine can be equipped with different molds according to the plate pressing requirements, so as to roll the different workpieces required for perfect rolling. This super machine, one of the largest marine plate rolling machines in the world, is your solid partner in marine engineering, allowing you to move forward and create brilliance in the marine shipbuilding industry. EZHONG will always be your reliable partner.